Fail. Baby, why'd you do that?
You wouldn't stop spraying me with that water bottle.
Yeah, but it sucks. 'Cause if you would have got me, it would have made us even.
You're getting the floor soaked.
I know. You really should have angled it if you wanted me to do
It wouldn't
dishes.
do it.
Well,
But you still turned it on just now.
yeah, but it got all over the ground.
Juicy will look it up.
I wish it would have got on me, and then the prank would have been fun. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I don't know why. You're just recording failure.